Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can add two numbers using scanner class in Java. So let's get started. I'll be using Visual Studio Code in the video. So if you know how you can install or set up your Visual Studio Code with the Java environment, I'll provide you one link in the description. You can click on that and set up your environment by watching that video. So let's get started. Create one new file, name it add.java. Okay, so close this ms class add. Okay, and we have to provide main method. Okay, then scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so we have to import this class scanner. Okay, and I'll declare one a variable sc dot next and I'll declare b variable with sc dot next. Okay, and I'll declare sum is equal to 0. And then what I'll do is sum is equal to a plus b. Okay, then I simply print system dot out dot println sum. Okay, then just click on save and click on run. What it will do is it will run the Java, the code that you have written. Just mention the input 10, 20, and see it will print 30. Just make it as sum plus equals to save and then run again. Just give your input 20, you will get sum is equal to 30. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you have any doubts in the above program, then do mention it in the comment section. I'll reply to your comment as well. Thank you for the video. Do share this video for more videos. Thank you.